What's going on, guys? We just recently had the cleaner in here at 524. It's one of our vacants. So he mentions that there was a leak. So I came in and checked it out a few minutes ago, but I wanted to bring you guys along. So he said it was in the kitchen. So the first thing you notice is our carpet's completely saturated. Like I said, brand new carpet. Yeah, we'll get an extraction right here. And so, yeah, so you can see the water now. And it was coming from under here. Right? So, like all this is still full of water, right? So this is the valve that's leaking. It's not leaking right now because I turned the water off already. So, well, you just saw a drip. But here I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod and turn the water on and see if we could get a good money shot. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, not a doubt about that. Yeah, she's leaking. So, like I said, I wanted you guys to see the leak, and yeah, we're gonna get it changed out. Let me turn this water off real quick again. All right, guys. So we use PEX piping, as you can tell. Yeah. So we use PEX piping, and so we use shark bites. They're a lot faster and easier to use. They're good for PEX, CPVC, PERT, and copper. I've never used PERT, so I'm not familiar with it. But yeah, they work good on all the others. I could say from experience. But yeah, so it's just a push to connect. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys me doing it. You're gonna need some cutters. I know you guys are gonna, if you've been following my channel, you're gonna be like, kid, those aren't your cutters. I'm gonna say, yes, I know. They're my supervisors. I left mine at the apartment that I was working in, doing the vacant that I got pulled out of. But these, they look like mine, but they're also his. So special shout out to D for letting me borrow his tools to get the job done. So let's get started. Whenever you undo this, I can almost guarantee, well, I can guarantee you there's going to be extra water that's going to come down. It's very strange that they do put the cold side on the left side. Don't know why, but you guys could thank Signature Construction for that. So yeah, so there we go. I guess you could have turned it off first. Either way it goes, we're about to cut it off. So yeah, let me get you on the tripod because I did suck up some of this water, but I'm not trying to lay my phone down in the water, guys. So, trying to get you a good view and be kind of out of the way. Okay, cool. All right, work with me here. Cool. So we're rocking and rolling. So yeah, so these cutters are pretty cool. You pull them out and they extend and they just ratchet shut, and you can make a nice clean cut. So yeah, let's get started. Come back here. You don't want to hit any metal, right? So, guess I didn't have to open it up that far. Well, there we go. guys. Didn't want to make you guys do a swan dive, but you know, it's just how it works out sometimes. So so we removed this. This is the old one. The new one. Give you a little tour of it. This is the new one. You know, that's just a security thing. As if you're making your own pipe, you could use this. But since we already got one, we're just going to use that. So this is just like a beauty ring to cover this not so attractive yellow or brownish. Let's see. If you look all the way around the outside of it, you can kind of see the teeth. And so whenever you put it on there, it'll go right on the outside of this circular ring, and it'll lock into those teeth. And that's where you get the shark bite name from. Now this is also, it doubles as the removal tool. I'm not going to show you guys in this video, but if you ever have to remove it, you just kind of like, you know, push down on it, on this, and it releases it. I've seen in hacks to where people use crescent wrenches and vice grips and stuff, but yeah, I've never had to remove one before, so I've never used it, so I'm just going off the word on that one. But yeah, so you just push it on there, and you'll hear it click. That's not all the way on there. Just trying to get a better view of the camera. Bam. There we go. Yep. See, he's on there now. All right. So then, sorry guys. You guys are diving all over the place today. I don't know what's going on. How about this? Let's run it this way. Cool. Kinda. Alright, well, we'll get it. Alright, so then you just hook up the other one. I like the braided steel hoses better, like this kind over this kind, but he didn't seem to be leaking, so we'll keep him running like this. Yeah, so that's practically it. So let me double check and make sure that we get nice tight connections. Yep. Now let's see how we did. Let's turn some water on. I'll take my phone because I don't know if it's going to leak, how it's going to leak. I don't want my phone wet. Well, we got something. Alright, let me turn this off first. Alright. How about that? Alright, let's go ahead and turn it on. Alright. She's on. We got water coming out now. And we don't have water coming out now. Alright, we did a good job. So I was just making the video just to show you guys how we do the shark bite, how we replace the valves. There's more work to be done. Obviously, we got to clean up all this water, clean up all this water. But But yeah, that's all for this video. So if you guys like the video, you could go ahead and like it. Show me that you guys like it. You can comment down in the bottom if I did something wrong, if I did something good that you liked. Let me know. And you can always subscribe if you like these videos. I try to release quality maintenance videos. So yeah, until next time,